It's your end, India. Say goodbye.
Wait for a minute. I will be back.
Wait, what? You can't go like this. Bruh, he really left.
Meanwhile,
It's been 8 months, and I am still in prison. I shouldn't trust that wolf. That wolf was a betrayer.
Hello, Pakistan.
What you want now, India? You already took my land. What else you want?
Your life.
What?
What are you saying, India? Sorry. Just slip of tongue.
To whom you are talking?
No one. So I was saying that. I was feeling guilty because I kept you in prison for so much time.
Feeling guilty after so much months. I know you, India. You need my help, that's why you are here.
Help. You really think you can help me?
Then what you want?
You are like my brother, Pakistan. I just don't want to fight with you anymore. I want peace.
Oh, now I get it. That wolf is gone probably. That's why your peace mode is activated again.
No, it's not true.
So is Wolf still with you?
Not really.
So yes, I am right. Wolf is gone.
Let's forget the past and discuss what to do in future.
Okay, fine. I am ready to forgive you.
Forgive me. You were the one who attacked me first.
Actually,
Pakistan attack north side. I will attack south.
okay.
What happened, Pakistan?
I was just thinking that you were right. Let's forget the past.
Shout out to